Clamp post mount installs on a wheelchair, microphone stand, or other post 12 to 40 mm in diameter. Holds phones up to 3.9 inches wide, including iPhone. Low-profile spring-loaded phone holder design. U.S Pat No. 6585212. Arkon's MG531 Mobile Grip 5 Universal Phone Clamp Post Mount fits all smartphones measuring up to 3.9 inches wide, including Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy Note 20, Note 10, and Note 9, Galaxy S20, S10, and S9, LG G6, G5, and G4, Nexus 6, and Nexus 5. This heavy-duty phone mount can be clamped onto the extension pole or overhead arm assembly of any of Arkon's Pro Stand models, HD8RV29, RCBTABLED, CLAMPRCB, and CLAMPRV29. It can also be used as a supplemental phone mount that can be easily installed on a wheelchair, microphone stand, or other post 12 to 40 mm in diameter. The Mobile Grip 5 phone holder rotates on the pedestal swivel ball adapter head for 360-degree positioning of the device. The holder's solid construction provides strength and reliability by featuring a spring-loaded mechanism that expands to hold smartphones up to 3.9 inches wide. The low-profile holder keeps rear smartphone cameras unobstructed for pictures or videos. Top review from the United States. Great product. I bought this to clamp onto my electric drum kit stand so I can play along to drumless tracks. Fits perfect and very well made.